Forget everything you already don't like about learning. We'll show you how to take your information and present it to your audience for deep understanding. Our classroom is called a challenge wheel. The challenge wheel is a step-by-step clockwise process showing you how to present in brain-centric design. You want to change the way their brain reacts to your subject matter, so present the way the brain accepts new information. Here's how the challenge wheel moves through each of its 5 steps that circle around your big idea, what the learner needs to deeply understand from your presentation. This light bulb icon is the first step of the challenge wheel, where the learner is presented with the challenge. We always give the learner 60 seconds to write their answer, which is private and only for themselves. This challenge is then addressed from many different angles, multiple perspectives, each engaging different lobes of the brain to, again, deliver agency to the learner through the challenge, and how these perspectives help them to create their answer to the challenge. Brain-centric design then gives the learner time to process those perspectives and 3 questions specifically designed to engage the brain's executive functions to make sense or make understanding of the material. What was surprising? What did I already know and now see in a different light? What do I still need help with? The learner then gets the opportunity to revise their thinking using the same 3 questions with other learners to share what they thought was surprising, how their thinking changed, what was interesting to them, and how that compares to you. These new thoughts are written down as revised thinking. The revised thinking is then shared with others in the media you're presenting in, so that different groups of learners can again share their thinking and how they uncovered their answers to the challenge. Now, when you see this icon, you'll know exactly what it represents. This course is all about you deeply understanding how to build these challenge wheels and the neuroscience strategies and tactics that make the challenge wheel work so wonderfully every time.